stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Now, I do not like cooking, y'all, but HelloFresh is slowly getting me to come around. I've been able to get more interested in cooking, and I feel a little bit more confident with the meal kits that they give, and it's actually becoming a little bit fun. So I always recommend HelloFresh, and it's really making a difference, and it is so convenient and easy. I love it.
Betty's everything for me, everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
I just want to say I did my big one on this meal, okay?
It's your boy Mike Season. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now, yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds, high above the clouds. I know you're coming, he's coming back. Time is of the essence, gotta get it right now. When you try to teach me, oh yeah, I should've learned my lessons, but I'm gonna get it right. You said you'll never leave my side. Got up your word, you'll never lie. And every need you will supply. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Wednesday. I did not even film. The last y'all saw me was making dinner, I think on Monday, Sunday, one of those days. I don't know, but all I did was make dinner, clean up, and then I went upstairs and did my Bible study, my prayer time, and all that. So today's Wednesday, it's 5:30. I am about to make dinner for everybody. I wanted to show you guys. I've been wanting to show you guys for a while, but I wanted to try it out and see how it was. So you guys know that we do HelloFresh, and baby girl is 19 months. She's just picky. Like she takes after me, okay? She's picky, and it was getting hard to like cook stuff. Mind you, maybe we could have put a little bit more effort into it, but it was like we cook stuff, make stuff, and she wouldn't want it. She'd be throwing it on the ground, not interested, unless it was like her french fries and chicken tenders. And I'm like, you can't live off of that, girl. You can't. And I'm not trying to have my child be out here like unhealthy because I'm feeding her french fries every night for dinner. So I stumbled upon an Instagram ad for Little Spoon. So I got it in the mail today. It comes weekly, just like the HelloFresh. It's a little pricey, but the girl eats it, so I'm willing to spend the money. And then it's also healthy. So they sneak like a whole bunch of veggies and like good ingredients in all the meals. So I'm like, at least I don't feel bad about, you know, what she's eating. They come in these little containers. You can get a whole bunch of different like subscriptions, but I get one that is for the plates, and I get 12 plates every 2 weeks. So pretty much lasts, like we have 2 extra days where we just make her something from home, but it helps so much. I'm about to pop one in the microwave now, but I wanted to unbox it and put it in the fridge. But I wanted to show you guys because I've been meaning wanting to show you guys for a long time now. Well, really, we've had 2 boxes, I think, so far. So they come in the box and they come with these big old ice packs to keep them cold. But I have a whole bunch. Like, this is some of them and these are the other ones. So they have ones that are marked off as like good for picky eaters. So we just tried a whole bunch and now we kind of know which one she likes. So this is a Cali croquettes with veggie, millet, poppers, and carrots. This one is gluten-free, milk-free, and vegan. But this is what it looks like. And it's like nice little portions. So she really likes, like, look how cute this is. Penne pasta, broccoli, and turkey meatballs. And it's turkey kale meatballs. Like, come on now. This is veggie tender parm with peas. This is, we got another one of the turkey meatballs. So those are the ones that she likes. So I'm just gonna organize them. This is the spinach and cheese ravioli with veggie marinara sauce. This is vegetarian, so it's no meat. And it's hidden veggie marinara sauce and Italian cheese blend. So this is the one I'm gonna pop in the microwave. You just pop them in the microwave for 70 seconds with the film on there. It like blows up a little bit and then you let it cool down and then peel it off. Hand it to your toddler, hand it to your child. Dinner's made. Bon appetit. I'm all about simplicity this year and not stressing myself out about grocery shopping, trying to buy stuff, trying to make stuff for her that's different than what we're making. We gonna get this little spoon. So I'm about to heat this up, put them away, and then I'm gonna figure out which HelloFresh meal I'm gonna make for mom and dad. So the rest of them, broccoli bites, sweet potato, carrot pack, poppers, and green beans. And I've never seen her eat a vegetable. We tried to give her vegetables before. No, but now guess who's eating vegetables? So even if this is like something you want to try and maybe make on your own or learn how to make it, I don't know how they make all this stuff like healthy. So this one is another one. She likes the chicken nuggets, sweet potato, carrot poppers, and broccoli. But she would not eat broccoli for us before. So it's just nice. And then this one is mini pancakes, chicken sausage, and roasted sweet potatoes. And be careful opening those things because I opened one way too early and I got like a steam burn on my thumb and you can still see it kind of like bubbled up. Like it actually hurts. So I'm gonna let it cool down today. Perfect. Figure out what we're gonna eat. I think we're gonna do this one because I love this one. I think I'm gonna make this one. I'm in like a pasta mood lately, so we're gonna be making the creamy dreamy mushroom cavatappi. The noodles, the mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, roasted garlic herb, scallions, reduced fat milk, flour, and then cream cheese, and that's it. Okay guys, we're back at it with another HelloFresh meal. Your girl is excited for this cavatappi that we're making, but a little thing that is different tonight is I was actually doing the Esther fast at this time. So this was really hard for me to be cooking dinner, smelling it when I have not been eating, and it was a challenge, but you know what? I had my worship music playing. You'll see later on me reading my Bible and Esther and getting ready for the call for the last night of the fast. With Morgan and all the ladies that have done the fast corporately, and you know what, it was a challenge, but God definitely carried me through. The devil was a lie. I'm sitting here listening to my worship music, singing to the Lord, and the cutting board tips over and I done lost about half of the mushrooms, but we still gonna eat whatever is left. We gonna salvage it. Whatever, we only have about half the mushrooms. I think I lost all the scallions, all the white scallions, so, you know. We will not let this stop us from having dinner. We will still eat tonight, because the devil is alive. All right, y'all, so God must have known, because as soon as I got back to cooking, Jireh came on, and I cannot listen to that song and not give God praise, because Jireh, for those of you who don't know, I used to sing this song to my daughter in the hospital every single day when we were in the NICU, and every time I hear it, I get so emotional, and I just feel so grateful and blessed that he brought us through that difficult time, and that we are both healthy and alive. So I just had to give my God some praise. Alright y'all, so finished cooking dinner and I made it just in time to sign on to the Zoom call for the last night of the Esther fast. This was day 3 and Morgan was speaking tonight, and I mean just confirmation after confirmation after confirmation. My notebook is full of notes from every single night and just every single day being in my word and talking to God. If you have not done a fast, I just highly recommend it. You get to spend time with God and sit and be still and truly hear his voice, and through all the speakers that she had each night, absolutely amazing. And I'm just so grateful for Morgan and her ministry. All right y'all, well, look at this light and it's tragic. That's pretty much it. My body is exhausted, so I'm gonna call it a night, hang out with hubby, we might watch a movie, and I'm gonna eat now that I can eat, y'all. Good night. I will see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all. So it's the next day. It's Thursday, and I am just relaxing today. I'm not doing anything. I am just taking this time to rest. I'm kind of having like little slight flares of vertigo, so I'm really trying to take it easy because I do not want to provoke it and be dizzy and have all that, because I have to work the entire weekend. So I'm going to be being very still at this time, but it is baby girl's nap time. I just put her down to sleep. I have my book in the bed with me, and I'm trying to figure out if there's something that I want to watch, see what shows came out. So I'm just taking it easy. Yeah, so I'm probably just gonna end this vlog out here. I don't plan on doing anything. I have clothes to fold and like things to do, but I'm just listening to my body, and I just want to have some nice quiet time to myself and enjoy the little 2 hours or however long she's gonna nap that I have to myself. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.